Working in rare disease drug development is challenging. ClinicalTrials.gov, one of the largest registries of trial metadata, with over 450,000 trials, over 150,000 drug trials, and over 30,000 rare disease trials, is unstructured and disorganized. This volume of data can help identify trends, gaps, and areas of opportunity, but it requires curating, cleaning, and standardizing to make it usable. To make rare disease research easier, our team has put in thousands of hours with rare disease trial data to identify orphan designations, standardize trial termination reasons, curate conditions, adding appropriate hierarchies, and curate study drugs, many of which haven't even made it to approval yet. Starting now, you can access clinical trial eligibility criteria in tabular format, as well as standard trial information, which includes dates, arm groups, and interventions. All clinical trial and rare disease data is fully integrated into our knowledge base, enabling links to available chemical structures, drug categories, metabolism, pharmacology, protein relationships, targets, pathways, proteins, and so much more. Now, when you tap into DrugBank's clinical trial data, you get the rare disease data you've been hunting for without the hunt.